In this install series video, we'll be going step by step into the Baja Designs S1 Fog Pocket Kit for the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Join us. What's up, fellow off-road enthusiasts? Doc Whedon here, and I'm joined again today by Eric, BD's own light scientist and mechanical engineer of vehicle-specific kits. We are excited for this one today, as we'll be doing a vehicle install of the Baja Designs S1 Fog Pocket Kit on the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport.
Let's get down to it. Before we get started, let's take a look at the tools you'll need for this install. We have the 7mm socket, the 10mm deep socket, a 7/16 socket, a 10mm open end wrench, 3mm Allen wrench, the trim tool or flathead screwdriver, and the multimeter or a circuit test light. Before you begin, make sure you turn the wheel to the driver's side, place the vehicle in park, and turn off your engine. With the trim tool or flathead screwdriver, remove the 5 plastic fasteners in the inner fender well. With the 7mm socket, remove the single fastener on the underside of the bumper. Gently pull the inner fender well out of the way to reveal the area behind the fog light. For this install, we will need to dismount the ECU on the driver's side and move it out of the way. Pull the plastic harness clip off the stud and use a 10mm deep socket to remove the 2 bolts. To get the last fastener mounting the ECU, reach through the driver's side tow hook opening from the front of the bumper, and with the 10mm open end wrench, remove the nut. The ECU can now gently be moved out of the way to access the fog light region. Now that the fog light is accessible, unplug the fog light harness connector from the light. With the 7mm socket wrench, remove the 3 OEM fog light mounting screws and place them aside for a moment. Pull the OEM fog light out, we no longer need it. With the 3 OEM mounting screws, mount the Baja Designs driver's side S1 fog light bracket only. The driver's side light will be mounted with the embossed housing logo facing the driver's side and the bezel logo right side up. Next, using the 3mm Allen wrench and the 2 M5 housing bolts, install the S1 mounting bracket to the driver's side light. Place the light into the fog light opening from the front of the bumper, around the mounting bracket, and place the spacer in between the fog light mounting bracket and the S1 bracket. Thread the 7/16 hex head bolt through the provided serrated washer, S1 bracket, spacer, and into the fog light bracket. Locate the fog light plug and play adapters. Connect the plug and play adapter to the light and the OEM fog light connector. Replace the ECU, driver's side only. Then replace the fender well and all associated fasteners. Repeat this process for the passenger side, except that you will not have to remove the ECU.
Another clean Baja Designs install. We hope you found this video on the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport S1 Fog Pocket Kit install informative. If you did, be sure to give us a like and leave a comment below. While you're at it, subscribe and click that notifications bell to be notified when our next install video goes live. As always, if you need more information on this or any other install, be sure to reach out to our technical support via email or our social channels. We'll put that information below.
For all your lighting needs, visit us at bajadesigns.com. Now get out there and light up your adventure.